I'm going to be reviewing a 2x6, so 2 deep part 6 14-inch bob by Allove Hair. It is their 10A grade straight hair. Of course, Amazon Prime. This bob will run you about 80 something bucks. It comes in this package, 2-day shipping. I love their little purple packaging. And inside the package, we have our bob unit, which we'll take out in a couple of seconds. We have some lashes, and then we have 2 styling caps, all right, guys? And then we have a little thank you card from them. So we're gonna go ahead. I was looking to see if I can find some reviews about this unit before I did it, because I've never had a 2x6 unit, but I know it's gonna be beginner friendly only because it's 2x6, so you don't have, you know, that much parting space, which is good, and you don't have that much of application for your glue down or however you're going to wear this unit. So we're gonna go ahead and get into the construction of the cap. So this is how the cap looks in the inside. It is very well constructed. We have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the middle, and then of course we have our comb in the back, and then we have our adjustable band here. This is the parting space, so it sits and then 2, and this is how the part looks without me doing anything to it. And then this is the hair. So the hair feels very full. We know we need to flat iron it, which we'll do once I apply it. Yeah, so it comes pre-plucked, and I'm not gonna go ahead and pluck because it says it's pre-plucked. I wanna show y'all how it looks on, and this is how it's looking. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get to this unit. What I'm gonna do is just take this one off. I'm gonna plop this one on. I'm gonna cut off this little bit of lace here, and then yeah, let's get into it. So this is me just going ahead and plopping on the unit. No glue, no combs, all right? So no glue, and just with combs. So I have the comb in the back attached, and I probably could make this a little bit snugger, the straps, because it is big head friendly. And then this is how it's looking. The lace is very, very nice because I haven't done anything to this lace, and this is me just laying it on. So it looks really, really good. So we're gonna go ahead and flat iron the hair. And it looks like it's 14 all the way around. Oh, y'all, I gotta stop. I'm always burning myself. So also what I'm gonna go ahead and do is just adjust it one more time for my liking, just because it moved a little bit while I was tugging and pulling on it while flat ironing. Wow. Okay, so yes. If you want to talk about big, just the B, not even the beginner, the B of the wig, this is the one. This is D1. And you know how some wigs, like in the bob, it's like thin in the front? It's not thin. So I want to show y'all, this is how it looks. So you know you can't add like any baby hairs there. Honestly, for this unit, I would not add any baby hairs because with the part, it looks so natural. I would just want to keep it in that natural vibe, and I want to turn around. It's probably not flat iron all the way in the back, but I want to show you guys how it looks in the back. So definitely 14 inches, but I am feeling this bob, sis. This is the Miami Fall Weather Bob, sis. This is the Miami Fall Weather. Y'all know I did my acrylics myself, so I'm all like, this is the Miami Fall Weather Bob. Yes, this is the one, and the part is deep, as you can see. And if you choose to add foundation to the bob, you can. I'm not gonna add any foundation to it because I like to show y'all how the bob looks natural, just in case if you're not that person. What if you don't know how to add foundation to the unit? It seems easy, but some people just aren't hair people. So if you want something that is easy, okay, that my daughter can put on if she knows how to cut. So all she got to do is cut off that lace. This is the one, kid. This is the one. Y'all see that? Y'all see that movement? Ooh. Ooh. The movement. Y'all know I love me some Allove hair. This is a cute bob. Yes. Yes. So if you're feeling this unit, let your girl know. Let your girl know. Let your girl know if you've tried a 2x6, okay? This is my first time. Firsties, my first time trying a 2x6 unit, and I absolutely love it. It is so cute and so easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. So let me know if you're feeling this bob, sis. Let me know if it's a bop or not. And thank you so much for watching. Many prayers, many blessings. We all, y'all, I'm with y'all. I'm with y'all. I'm with y'all. Just know I'm with y'all. We in this together, okay? We gonna continue to uplift and pray for one another, all right? We gonna finish this year off strong. 2020, you not winning? We are winning, all right? Love you guys so much. Thanks for watching this video, all right? I hope you enjoyed it. Love and blessings to you all. Bye.